Good day everyone. So for today is I'm creating video tutorial about implementing via virtualization technology using VirtualBox. So gagamitin ko is yung client server via SAP. So dito may SAP na ako dito and then titignan ko kung ano yung kanya IP address. So nasa VirtualBox na po ako. Then itong IP address na to para makuha ko yung client niya, yung server ng SAP na to. Then punta ako sa host and input ko to. And then dapat magkakaroon siya ng ganyan. So yan po. And magsimulan na po tayo sa ganyan. So, ginawa ko itong tutorial na to guys para sa system ko about CPMS or Career Placement Management System. So, first is the CRUD feature, login, print report, filtering, secure login, encryption, activity log, backup, and restore. So, first is the login. So, I'm logged in my account. Oh shit. Then yan. So login successful. So login complete. So the CRUD feature. So the CRUD feature is we have four different of CRUD. The create, view, update, and delete. So first is the create. I'm creating my name, course, BSIT, third year password, any. So that's it. I'm already creating my account. So as you can see here, with my name, I created. So next is the view. If you click my name and makikita nyo po dito, merong student information here. So yan po tinatawag na view. View mo yung information ng student. Next is edit. For example, I want to change my course into VS Crim. Then ayan po, student update successful. And as you can see here, kanina BSIT to pinalilad ko siya in VS Crim. So ayan na po siya. Then next is the delete. Last is delete. So I'm deleted. So that's it. That's CRUD feature. So next is the print report. As you can see here, where the print preview button. So if I click that, I click this. So we have a student list of one page. So if I want to click the print, I want to print this. So you can see here, we have name of Alice Johnson. So that's the print preview. Preview the management student. So next is the filtering. So if I'm go to manage jobs and type front end, then search, and as you can see here, where we have a front end developer. So that's filtering. So that's it. Secure login. So how to secure your login? So as you can see here, I'm using MAS or MD5 for secure your login to in the public if you log in. Para pag nag-login ka, hindi makikita ng katabi mo kung ano ba yung password mo kasi naka-hash siya. O ay naka-mask. I mean to say, naka-mask po siya, hindi po hash. Mask po. So ayan, naka-mask siya. Naka-hide. So, yun po ang secure login. Encryption. So, ayun po. Turo ko na lang kasi ayaw dito sa encryption, once na nag-create ka ng account, then makikita mo sa database, sa password, naka MD5 siya. Parang yung nasa last video ko. At marami siyang mga code, mga parang alpha number, ganyan. Ay numerical alpha numerical number. So yun, ganun po. So yun po yung encryption ng ating system. Para hindi malaman ni admin or ng hacker na yun ang password mo. Then next is the activity log. So if I click the security log, as you can see here, we have activity logs for login, logout, and print preview. And lastly is backup and restore. So kailangan natin mag-backup and restore for disaster recovery. For example, nawala yung system mo and andun yung mga mahalagang files. So ayun po, madadirect to sa cPanel or sa files mo yung backup. So yun lamang po. Thank you.